Hello my dear students, welcome to this new video. This is the second part of the chapter 1, the fish tale of class 5 subject mathematics. In today's class, we have two sessions. It means with two sessions, today's class will be completed. So the first session will be your practice sessions and the second will be for your chapter. Okay, now on your screen, you can see some questions here, like fill in the blanks, then some conversion in question number 2 and homework. So these questions are based on the previous topic, which were haiku and the whale shark. Okay, so on your okay my dear students, so check the first question, fill in the blanks. Here is no help box for you. Okay, so you have to yourself answer this. So number A, three lines poem based on the nature is called dash in Japan. Can you answer? Yes, it is haiku. And the spelling of haiku is, yes, Haiku. Very nice. Now come to B number. Mean means a dash. Yes, it is fish. Fish. Very nice. Now come to the C. The biggest fish in the world is dash. Yes, no doubt, it is the whale shark. Okay, now come to the number D. The length of the biggest shark is, yes, 18 meter. Very nice. Now question number B. The weight of the biggest shark is dash kilogram. A tough question is here. Yes, you are right. It is 16,000 kilogram. Very nice. Now come to question number 2. Convert this. A 100 centimeter makes dash meter. Yes, it is 1 meter. Now question number B. 18 meter is equal to dash centimeter. This is the conversion between meter to the centimeter. Okay, means from the bigger unit we are going to the smaller unit, and in this condition we just simply multiply. Remember this my students, when you convert the units from bigger to smaller, in that condition you will multiply. But multiply with what? For that, as you know, 1 meter makes 100 centimeter. So 18 meter is equal to, yes, we will multiply 18 with 100. As I told you, we are converting bigger unit to the smaller unit, means in centimeter. So just multiply 18 into 100. So you will get 1800 centimeter. Is it clear? Good. Now come to the C. 1000 gram is equal to dash kilogram. Yes, in previous classes you have solved this type of all questions. It is simply 1 kilogram. Now number D. 52 kilogram is equal to dash gram. Yes, once again we have to calculate for it. Yes, as I told you, here is the conversion between kilogram and gram. And as you know that when we convert the bigger unit into the smaller unit, in this condition we just multiply. Okay, so how you will multiply? Yes, let's have a look. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, as you know. Okay, so 52 kilogram is equal to 52 into 1000. Okay, so it will be 52 1 ja 52, and How many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So it will be 52,000 gram. Very nice. Keep it up. Now the last question, E. 16,000 kilogram. Oh, it's a bigger number. So let's convert this in gram. So as we know, 1 kilogram makes 1000 gram, right? So 16,000 kilogram is equal to what? Yes, same thing is here. Kilogram, this is the conversion between kilogram to gram. Okay, so in this condition, the bigger unit is converting in smaller. So we will just multiply. Okay, how we will multiply? Have a look. We will write 16,000 here and multiply with 1000. Okay, so you will get, try to solve. Now listen, here is a simple way to multiply these big numbers with zeros. Okay, if you have big numbers with 0, so there is a simple multiplication. Here is 16, okay, and here is 1. Multiply these numbers. 16 1 ja, you will get 16. And how many zeros are here? 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. Just put this all 6 zeros here. 4 5 and 6. Now which number did you get? Can you tell me? Yes, this is 1 crore 60 lakh. Oh, such a big number. Now come to the next question. It is for your homework, but okay, let's solve it. Draw a fish using a square and a triangle. Okay, we have discussed about it, but I want to show you a picture for it. And here is the picture. We have to draw a fish using two shapes, triangle and a square. So here you can see we have a triangle and this one is a square. Okay, in this way you can make. Try it at your home. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. Draw a human face with fish eyes. Yes, as I know, drawing is very interesting thing. You all children like drawing, I know. So you will draw it, but there's a task that you all have to draw this drawing. I like this drawing because this drawing is made by our very talented sir, Shankar Prasad. So just try to draw this painting in your notebook if you can. Okay, such a beautiful painting is here. Now your practice session is over, so we will go to the chapter now and continue. So here is the fish tail. Okay, as I have cleared what is the difference between tail, T-A-L-E, and T-A-I-L. Yesterday we have cleared it. Okay, now first of all let's have an overview of today's chapter, that what things we will read today. So we will read the fish tail, then schools of fish, you can see here, and at last fishermen in their boats. Okay, so let's start from the fish tail. So let's read it. To see the difference between whales and fish, look carefully at their tails. Can you see that the fish tails stand flat along its body? but the tail of the whale almost look like two legs. Remember this, two legs means whale's tail is look like two legs. Can you see where is the whale? Yes, here is the whale, and its tail is look like a two legs. Yes, really. Can you spot the fish in the picture? Yes, we have spotted before some time. Now, schools of fish. What do you mean by schools? Yes, you will say that where we go to study, where we go to read, and some teachers teach us, that is school. But here is a little difference between this school. Actually, it is a collective noun word, as you read in English. Okay, types of kinds of noun. Okay, so here is a kind of noun. Actually, it is a word of collective noun, school. Let me clear this by some pictures. Here you have class of students. So what is it means? It means in this picture you can see many students are stand here. Okay, and their group is here. So this group will be known as class of students. Similarly, here you can see group grapes and grapes. So this is a bunch of grapes. So bunch will be a collective noun word, and here the class is a collective noun word. Similarly, here you can see flowers and flowers, they are in groups, so that is known as bouquet. Okay, so I think is it clear that what is a collective noun word? So similarly, the group of fish, it will be known as a school. Okay, so we can say a school of fish. Now I think the concept of school is clear. Now let's have a read. Fish like to swim together in the sea in big groups called schools of fish. As we have cleared it, in their school they feel safe from the bigger fish. Do you feel safe in your school? Yes, everyone feel safe in their schools. Now next page. To scare away the bigger fish, some small fish drink up a lot of water, swell up, and look big. What does it means? It means that there are small fishes, okay, and they just scare from the big fishes, because big fish eat the small fishes. Okay, so for that the small fishes swell up water and make their body bigger and biggest. Is it also a comparative degree? You can say big, bigger, biggest. Actually their body is not bigger, but just swell up water, they make their body bigger. Next, Jinsi used these shapes to make drawing of fish. Now you also use some shapes to draw the different sea animals given below. Okay, so here we have many shapes. Okay, some special shapes are here. Can you tell me the name of this shape? Yes, it is a rectangle. Now this one, yes, circle, triangle, oval. Okay, very nice. And some, here is a cone also, and some other different shapes. And here Jinsi have made fishes by using these shapes. Try this activity at your home, my children. Okay, it's very interesting. You will enjoy it. Now, some pictures of sea animals you can see here. sea urchin, lobster, eel, red snapper, clam, octopus, prawn, jellyfish, parrotfish, cuttlefish, squid, silver pomfret, and crab. Oh, now, which of these sea animals have you seen before? I think many of these you have seen, like crab and prawn, parrotfish, eel. Okay, now the next topic is fishermen in their boats. Let's have a look. How many of you have seen the sea? Not in movie, in real, okay? Yes, many of you have seen, I know. Where did you see it? Yes. Did you see it in a movie or for real? That many of you students have seen in movie and also in real life you have seen the sea. How deep do you think the sea could be? Find out. Try to search it. What may be the depth of a sea? Do you know how to swim? Would you be scared of the high sea waves? First of all, tell me, have you swim in the sea water? Yes, generally children are not allowed to swim in the sea, but under the guidance you can. Now, the next page. Close your eyes and imagine the sea with waves rising high. You can do it. You can imagine by closing your eyes that how the sea waves are rising high up and then down. How high do you think the waves can go? Okay, next. Imagine that there are fishermen in their boats going up, down with the waves. They start their trip when it is still dark. Some go on a simple boat made from logs of wood tied together. If the sea is rough with very high tides and a strong wind, then these fishermen have a very difficult time. Try to imagine, my dear students. What is saying that? Yes, that the fishermen use their own boats to, yes, to go to the sea and catch some fishes, but they face some problems when the sea is rough with very high tides and a strong wind. Yes, it is very difficult that to the opposite side of the wind you are going with the boats. It is very difficult. Now here is a picture of log boat. You can see the boy is standing there. And next, these log boats do not go very far. Let's see how far it goes. If the wind is helpful, they travel about 4 kilometer in 1 hour. For just 4 kilometer in 1 hour. In which condition? When the wind is helpful. Okay. Now, here is a question. How long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometer? Let's solve it. In 1 kilometer, the boat is going, boat is going in 1 hour, how many kilometers? Just 4 kilometers. Okay. So, how long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometer? Okay. So, in 10 kilometers, yes, try. Yes, it will be 10 upon 4 hour. It means actually we have to divide 10 by 4. Okay, so let's make pairs of 4. So when you will, if you will divide 10 kilometer in the group of 4, so you will get 4 plus 4 plus 2. So as you know, the boat is completing 4 kilometer in 1 hour. So how many hours we got? 1 and 2. Okay, and another will be half. So total 2 and half hour. Clear? It means it will take 2 and half hour to complete the distance of 10 kilometer. Okay, now next, guess how far you can go in 1 hour if you walk fast. Tell me, boys, my dear students. Okay, you will try yourself. Now next, fishermen can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. Yes, it is very important information. Actually, when the fishermen go deep and far in the sea, so in a condition when they just forget the way to come back to the home, at that time they just look at the sun and feel the wind to get their ways to come back to the home. It is very interesting. Actually, there is a very interesting movie like this, I must say, that is Moana. It was very interesting movie. Actually, it was Oscar nominated movie in 2016, and it is full of adventure, drama, action, thriller. I hope you will enjoy this movie. Now, many of us would get lost and not be able to find our way on the sea where you only see water, water and nothing else. Yes, when you will go far and far in the sea and you will forget your way, so what you will get? You will just stay there and just around what is there? Water, water and water. Now, find out. Look at the sun and find out the direction from where it rises. Let's have a look for it. Here in the picture, what is happening? Here is a boy, okay, who is facing to the sun. Okay, so the face side is its is east, okay, and just back it will be its west, east, west. Then its left hand will point to the direction of north and its right hand will point to the south direction. Okay, now have you understood how to find the direction by facing the sun? Very good. Now come to the lesson. From where you are, what interesting thing do you see to your east? Second, name 2 things that are lying on your waist. So my dear friend, this is your activity. You will get up early in the morning and by facing to the sun, you will observe what things you are looking on the east side, on west direction, on south and also in north direction. Okay, so let's over this class today. That's all for today. Till then, stay at home and be healthy. See you soon, my dear students. Bye bye.